I'm Grady, your AI business guide, and today we're diving into something crucial for manufacturers. Is your manufacturing business struggling with ISO 27001 audits? Today you'll learn how AI can cut audit prep time from weeks to days, discover a tool that simplifies compliance checks, and see how one company saved 30K in penalties with AI. Stick around. ISO 27001 compliance is a daunting task for many small manufacturers. The regulations require detailed documentation and stringent data security protocols. For many, this means weeks of preparation, high costs, and constant fear of failing an audit, potentially losing contracts, or facing hefty fines. AI tools are significantly reducing the time needed for audit prep. By automating data collection and analysis, these tools provide real-time insights into compliance status. According to a study in the MIT Tech Review, AI-driven systems can streamline the audit process by up to 60%, enabling quick identification of compliance gaps. Specific AI tools are designed to ease the burden of compliance checks. For instance, machine learning algorithms can continuously monitor network traffic for anomalies, instantly alerting teams to potential issues that require attention. These tools not only enhance security, but ensure compliance with ISO 27001's stringent requirements. Implementing AI solutions in compliance processes doesn't just save time, it also saves money. A recent report highlighted that small businesses using AI for ISO 27001 compliance save an average of 30K annually by avoiding fines and reducing the need for third-party consultants. One standout story is from a 75-person automotive parts supplier. They adopted an AI system that integrated with their existing IT infrastructure, providing automated updates and compliance checks. This move not only expedited their audit process, but also improved their overall data security posture. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in regulatory compliance will only grow. Tools that leverage machine learning and real-time data analysis will become indispensable for small manufacturers, aiming to stay ahead of compliance demands while remaining competitive. Which AI tools are you considering for compliance? Share your thoughts in the comments.